ẹ̀rù òde ẹ̀bẹ̀ lójú ọ̀nà náà náà kò yé mi ní bóbi ní ṣẹlẹ̀ wọlé wa láti Èkó ni.
Yes.
We are all looking for adventure. We are all looking for adventure. We are all looking for adventure. We are all looking for adventure.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Lara Annie, your favorite biker chick. So I'm starting a series on my YouTube channel where I get to go to different places in Nigeria on my bike. On this video, I went from Lagos to Ibadan. In Ibadan, I visited the National Museum of Unity. I visited Agodi Gardens and I also visited Irefin Palace. I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Hello world, wake me up to another good morning time to go. Got that smile upon my face, cause there's excitement in the chase, this I know. Yeah, I'm going for the ride and find myself, I am alive, and I soar. Still I run towards the wind and let the challenge draw me in, cause I want more. Oh, we are all looking for adventure. 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 Oh, wake up heart and wake up mind and see the world is yours to find. And with every passing day there's more calling you out to explore. Get up and go.
Ìgbàdà kúrò.
6.
Like 6:30.
6:30.
ẹ̀rù òde ẹ̀bẹ̀ lójú ọ̀nà náà náà kò yé mi ní bóbi ní ṣẹlẹ̀ wọlé wa láti Èkó ni.
So you drove this thing from here?
Yes.
Ibadan is short now.
Wọ́n tún tẹ̀síwájú
Abẹ́ni kò fọ́.
Lara,
Hey, good morning.
how are you?
Right.
Because how much of your own? My 37 or my 3? What's your name?
Pẹ̀lẹ́ sí mọ́ra ìjọ.
You put your own name. Boom,
Yes.
bah. You good, bro.
Come Ibadan like.
I've gone to Ibadan, yeah.
You've gone to Guadalajara with what?
With my bike.
And when you are married, you should not be driving this thing again. Go and stay at home. Take it care of it.
Ẹ ló máa tọ́jú ọmọ.
I'm currently in Ibadan and I'm at the National Museum of Unity. My first location, my first stop over. And immediately I got here and people realized it was a lady as usual. Everyone started surrounding the bike, asking questions, wanting to know why will I ride the bike, and asking if it is my 9 to 5 or my passion. But I made them realize that it's just my passion, and I also made them realize that I'm just trying to like tour around Nigeria to understand the culture in different states, different locations, so and bring more awareness about our culture. So I'm going to go in now to the National Museum of Unity in Ibadan. I'll carry you guys along. Stay tuned. Oh my God, cameras are not allowed inside. Wow. Okay, I'm out of the gallery, and unfortunately cameras are not allowed in there, so There's no way I can show you guys everything I saw there. But I made a list of some of the things, and I'll just be listing them out. Okay, so there were lots of musical instruments there made of wood, and there were also some masquerades. I saw the idiophones, I saw slide drum, wooden clef, xylophone, chordophones. I saw that kakaki. I saw flutes, shekere, pot drums, talking drums, badagry drums, masquerade costumes, clay pots, and so on and so forth. Like, there were so many, and it was a really beautiful view. I wish I could carry you guys along on what I saw there, and then there were stories behind everything. Like, there are always stories about history and how everything came to be. And when I got out, I was supposed to saddle up and move to my next location before I realized that my rim was bent. I'm sure it was a pothole that caused that. As you all know, our road conditions here are not so good. So, but it's being worked on right now, so I'm waiting for the person to get back. Okay. Second stop in Ibadan, I'm at Agodi Gardens. It's an amusement park here. Agodi Gardens right now for my next destination, which is Irefin Palace. It's not far from here, it's about 9 minutes ride from here, according to Google Map. Anyways, we'll see how that goes. Stay tuned, guys. I'm at Irefin Palace, and said to be more than 200 years old, made with clay, though it's currently undergoing some renovations, and I was told that it will still be brought down for restructuring. But here, this is what it looks like currently. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, drop your comments so I know what you think about the video, and you can also suggest places you'd like me to visit in Nigeria. If you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe, share my video guys. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.